Mistake 1. Not enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enabling 2FA is one of the most important steps to protect your Binance account from unauthorized access. Without two-factor authentication, your account is more vulnerable to hacks, even if someone gains access to your password. Solution: make sure to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your account to add an extra layer of security. Mistake 2. Reusing passwords across platforms. Using the same password for multiple platforms increases the risk of your Binance account being hacked. If one platform is breached, all your accounts become vulnerable. Solution: always use unique passwords for every platform you use, especially for your Binance account, to ensure better protection. Mistake 3. Storing private keys insecurely. Storing private keys in insecure locations, such as online notes or unencrypted files, can put your assets at risk. Anyone with access to your private keys can control your funds. Solution: store your private keys in a secure, encrypted location, such as a hardware wallet, to keep your funds safe. Mistake 4. Not using strong and complex passwords. Weak passwords are an open invitation for hackers to gain access to your Binance account. Simple passwords are easier to guess or crack using brute force attacks. Solution: create strong, complex passwords that include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Mistake 5. Ignoring security alerts or account activity notifications. Ignoring Binance's security alerts or failing to monitor your account activity can leave you unaware of suspicious actions or attempted breaches. Solution: stay vigilant by regularly checking your account activity and always respond promptly to any security alerts or